Hi children, Assalamualaikum. Here we meet again. How do you do children? I hope you are doing great at home with your family. Are you fasting today children? Oh, you fasting ya? Very good. Happy fasting. Dear children, I am here to teach you how to make a very cute craft. We are going to make an owl. You know what is an owl? Yes, it is burung hantu. Let us start now. The materials we need are ice cream stick, glue, string, and color paper. Okay children, first we need to draw the body of owl, the eyes, and the beak. Let us start to draw now. Okay children, after you draw, you need to cut like this. Okay children, here we go. Okay children, you need to put glue on the eyes. And you need to put on the owl body. After that, you glue the beak. Okay children, we need to make the hole on the wings and on its body too. Okay, like this. You need to make the hole here. We have to put the string in the holes of the wings. Like this. And you need to put at the owl body. You need to tie the string behind it. Okay children, after that we need to put the glue on the ice cream stick. And we need to put it behind. Okay, it is done. You can play like this. Do you like it children? Alright, you can do it at home with your parents. Thank you children, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.